In example 3, we are given that an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of chimney? So first of all, we will draw the figure according to the question. We are given that there is a chimney, let it be AB. An observer, let the observer is PQ, and the height of the observer we are given 1.5 meter. The observer PQ is 28.5 meter away from chimney. The distance of the observer from the chimney is 28.5 meter. This is the distance between the observer and the chimney. Now we are given that the angle of elevation of the top of chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. So I have explained you through the videos that when the observer's height is given, in that case the angle of elevation will be formed from the top of the observer. So from here, point P, this will be the line of sight which will make the angle. But to draw the angle from the point P, we will have to draw a parallel to the ground. So a parallel line should be drawn from the height of the observer that should be parallel to the ground. So we will take a point C on the point, the AB chimney. Now as we know that the observer and the chimney both are standing vertical perpendicularly, and we have drawn this PC parallel to QB. Therefore the figure PQBC becomes a rectangle, and as we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, therefore by figure PQ is equal to BC, both equal to 1.5 meter. That means the remaining part, we will consider it as H. So let AC is equal to H. Also QB is equal to PC, being a rectangle. So here PC is also equal to 28.5 meter. PC is equal to QB, both equal to 28.5 meter. And the angle of elevation between the line of sight and the parallel drawn is, we are given 45 degree. That means the angle theta is equal to 45 degree we are given. Now since we have to find out the height of chimney, so the relation is given between the perpendicular and the base. So as we know, perpendicular and base are related with 10. So we will use, since tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, for this triangle theta is equal to 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular AC, base is PC. So here AC we have considered as H, and PC, which is equal to QB, both are equal to 28.5. Now we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. That implies 1 is equal to H upon 28.5. Therefore H will be equal to 28.5 into 1 is 28.5 meter. But the height of the chimney is AB, full height, and we have found just AC. That means the total height of chimney is equal to AC plus BC, which is equal to, we just got the value of AC, H is equal to 28.5 plus BC, which we are already given 1.5. Therefore, the total height of chimney will be equal to 30 meters.